Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create great looking logo using your mobile phone or a laptop. Just you only need an internet connection and nothing else. So you'll be able to create very easily different types of logo. You can create these types of logo very easily using your mobile phone or a laptop. So now let's start this video, okay? So you need to have a browser in your mobile phone, or simply you can follow the same steps in your mobile or a laptop. Simply open canva.com and flat icons, okay, flaticon.com. I'll put those link in my description. Yeah, just come on canva.com. Here we will be designing our logo, okay, and from flaticon.com we'll be downloading the icons which will be required in our logo, okay. So come in canva.com, simply type logo. You can follow the same steps in your mobile phone. Type logo and click enter. You can see the different types of logo here which is already made. If you want to select, you can select, or if you wanna make your custom logo, simply click on blank. Okay, once you'll click on blank, this you can say this area where we will be designing our logo. This is your canvas. Select, come here at the left side, this is the panel, the dashboard, exact dashboard. Click on elements and select circle, rectangle, whatever you want. From here icons, you can type anything like Facebook, Facebook. So you'll see the logos of Facebook and all. You can type LinkedIn. You can see the logos of all the LinkedIn. You can type any elements like love. You can see different elements of love and all, so just simply come here and select the circle one, which so now I'll be designing LinkedIn logo. Okay, change the color you like. From here, the color panel, and suppose I don't like this color, I click on that again, change the color. Okay, and if you want the exact color, simply find out the color code. Okay, now click on text, select the text you want to put in your logo, type the letter which you want to add on your logo. Whatever color you want to change, simply select that element. Suppose I want to change the color of the text, simply select that, click on that. Here at the top side, click on the icon A, and you can choose the different color option from here. I'm gonna choose the white color. Okay, you can change the height, width and all. Simply drag and drop. Okay, this is very simple steps, guys, trust me. You'll be able to design the custom logo, great looking logo, using your phone also. Suppose like my company name is Wish. I wanna add, like, simply write W, group this. You can have smaller and bigger, just simply drag. Okay, you can have the taglines at the bottom, simply grow with us. You can write anything. Okay, you can simply put wherever you like, and wherever you want to move, simply this is now ready. So I guess this is the simplest steps you can follow. So now I'll be designing one restaurant logo. So open another website, that is flaticon.com. Type food. I'm gonna design a restaurant logo, guys. The designing part depends on you, the creativity exactly depends on you, like how exactly you want your logo to be. Okay, so that's all depend on your creativity. I'm gonna tell you the steps. Okay, And if you guys really want me to make I want this text should be at the top, and I wanna add tagline, eat it now. Suppose anything I wanna add, you can add anything, the slogan or the logo, the text you wanna add. At the bottom of the text you can say this, eat it now. This text color I wanna change to be red. Okay, now my logo is ready now, guys. So I can put this logo anywhere. Like, this is the very simple and great step, and this logo looks fantastic, isn't it? Look, the logo, isn't it looking professional and all? If I want to change the color, I can change the color from here. If I want this to be in yellow, yeah, that looks nice. Now the combination of this bluish and the yellow, okay, now it looks great. So these were the steps, guys. The creativity depends on you, but my work was to tell you how to create logos like this. Any type of logo you can create, that creativity should be, yours. So guys, I hope you really like this video, and if you really like this video, please, you know what you need to do, simply like this and share with your friends. Thank you, see you in the next video, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. Okay, thank you guys, see you in the next video. Do take care.